Now that you're in Tinkercad, you're going to go up to your Resources tab, click on Learning Center, and then you will see the different tutorials. If you click View All, you're going to see that there are quite a few to go through. And what we would like you to do is start out with your Place It. So we're going to click on that and click Start. If you've done them before, please click Reset All Lessons so that you're able to practice a little bit. So when we click Start, you're going to see the instructions on the left side. You're going to see your work plane in the center, and then your shapes and such on the right. If you're zoomed in, so if you're up here and you see something like this magnifying glass, you want to make sure that you're zoomed out to 100% or even a little bit further out for the best view. So I usually keep mine at 100%. Then as you scroll through, it's going to have you read various things. So in this case, it says, see the orange shape on the work plane? That's a hint. Hints help guide you as you get started. So you find the box shape like this. It says to drag it over, and then you can nudge it into place. Then you hit next. And once it's set, you'll see these lovely stars. Do that for each lesson. Continue to done, continue, and then you can go on to the next lesson. So you're going to repeat that until you get through all of the lessons. If you get stuck, try to figure it out, but ask a neighbor or ask an adult in the room. And once you're done with all of them, raise your hand and we'll help you with the next step. Enjoy!